Okay, guys. So for this one's pretty important. Unfortunately, the Velos E doesn't come with a tire pressure monitoring system. I got this off Lazada for about 600 bucks. Typically, it goes for about 600 to 800 bucks. I've used this in my Fortuner as well, no? And here's the kit. This is the actual unit, no? Let's just take out this plastic. Okay, the reason why I like this is it has a solar panel and it actually works now. It actually charges the unit. Now, the kit comes with the charger, right? The cable. This is micro USB, unfortunately. There's a sticker, so you can actually stick this onto your car. And then these wrenches are what you use in order to put these modules in place. No? So typically, you would really want to follow this. So you got the front right, front left, rear right, and rear left. Okay, now I wanted to show you how to install this. So you actually have the two right here. No, so you just take out the cap. No, place the bolt in. Place it all the way down. Okay, and then this one is, don't forget to note, no, so ito front right, so you have to make sure that it's the proper one. If not, it's not gonna come out properly. And oops, so medyo sisino siya ng konti, right? Make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, and then you see that, safety security bolt that we placed in. Okay, just place that all the way back. Okay, sorry, I need two hands, no? And then higpitin mo with this, the wrench that it comes in, no? Don't lose this wrench because you'll actually need this to take it out as well kung nagpapahangin kayo, no? Okay, so with that, once that's locked in, it will be hard to take out. And then here you can see, no, I've already installed the right rear and the front right as well, no? So it's just gonna come out by itself. So this is the pressure. I've set it to PSI, and then this is the temperature. So here we already have it installed, no? There are three buttons in the top. So this is left, menu, and then right. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to long press on the menu. Okay, hanggang mag-blink yan. The first is the unit of pressure, so nakalagay P, no? So if you want to change this, just click the menu and then you can select bar or PSI. I prefer the PSI, and then press M again to enter that. Then you click right. This is the temperature, so you've got Celsius, you've got Fahrenheit. I prefer the Celsius. Okay, just click that again. Okay, then click right. Okay, this is pressure high. Okay, so I've already entered 40, but if you prefer like a higher PSI value, you can make it lower or higher, no? So let's just leave it at 40. Okay, and then pressure low. So this is the most important one, no? Kung na-flatan ka, definitely it's gonna go lower than that, no? But if I want to top up my pressure, usually like I want it to start at maybe like that amount, not 28. So you can lower it, you can make it higher. Okay, after pressure low, you've got temperature high. Okay, so you just have to click this, and then after that you can see it over there, no? So you can see the that's in Celsius, so I want it at 60. Okay, walang temperature low, guys. This one is if you want to swap them out. So if I want to swap out let's select it now. If I want to swap out these two tires, right, you can swap them out, no? So say for instance yan, I want to swap the left and the right, no, I can do that. Okay, but let's not do that. Okay, so here's the IDs now, so you can see it naman. So the 0, that's the front left, and then the 1 is front right, and then the 2 is rear left, and then 3 is rear right. So you use this if you want to swap out the sensors, no? But kung bago naman yun, wala namang issue. Okay, so That's it. This is if you want to set it back to default, no? So we're not gonna do that. Okay, now if you want to leave it, just long press the M and then babalik siya. Okay, now the first thing that I usually do when I have a temperature sensor like this is I would charge it. So you've got the charging port here, so just charge it, no? But since this is solar, it will charge if it's under the sun, right? Now typically I like to place this. I have a sticky pad here, no? So I have a sticky pad. Usually I like to place it there in the front, no? And then you just place it right there, no? So at least kitang-kita mo while you're driving, right? So maybe a little bit to the left. So ayan, no? So that's about it, no? I hope that this has been able to help you guys. It's a very basic device, but it's so useful. I don't know how many times na naflatan ako na hindi ko alam. But this one, for the price, you know, it's about 600 pesos, a little bit above $10. I suggest that you guys get this. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.